Hi guys. So there are three things for the pre-market report. It's 19th of May, 19th of May 2025. So there's a lot of news about the US credit rating downgrade, and the US market has actually gone down on Friday evening post-market. So today the US market will open maybe around 1 percentage point lower, which is not huge. In the past also there has been a lot of rating downgrades in 2017 and so on. It's not a new thing for US. It will have some positive impact on gold because people will start to think that US dollar is a little bit more risky, the bonds are risky. So I would not be too keen to buy fresh into the US market right now. Gold is something which you can still look at from a long-term perspective. Number two is the Indian stock market. We track this R1, R2 levels all the time. NIFTY has hit R1, which is around 25,280. So you need to be careful now. The NIFTY itself as an index has moved up from 22,000 to 25,000. A lot of people were very careful and said that NIFTY will go down to 20,000 when NIFTY was 22,000. Now the NIFTY has moved from 22 to 25, and now people are not really careful. So it's time to be careful. So no fresh speculative positions, but be a little bit conservative. There are few stocks, momentum stocks. So this is the final thing which we want to talk about. It's the third thing, which is the momentum stocks. So momentum is in defense, it is in NBFCs. I did a complete detailed perspective on defense stocks. So how has the US market defense stocks worked for last 20 years? Can you expect similar returns in India and so on? So you should go and watch that video. I think short-term defense stocks have hit R2. So I'm looking at exit now. At least for short term, they are very risky. They will give you a better opportunity to invest. So for now, I think you can go a little bit slow on defense stocks. Otherwise, NBFCs and some of the auto stocks are good. So NBFCs, I'll just read out the 19 stocks, which I think from a purely momentum perspective you should look at, which is Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holdings, Bajaj Finance. So the three Bajaj fund, not Bajaj Auto, but three Bajaj stocks. And then you have BEL in defense, Chola Finance, Divi's Lab, Eicher Motor, Grasim, HDFC Bank, HDFC Life, ICICI Bank, Indigo, GSW Steel, Ultratech Cement, Majgaon Dock, SBI Life, Shriram Finance, Solar Industries, TVS. So most of the stocks are in defense like Solar, HAL, BEL, Majgaon Dock. Some are in steel and cement, so Ultratech Cement and GSW Cement. Mostly it is banks or NBFCs. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life, HDFC Bank, and so on, Shriram Finance. So mostly the focus is on NBFCs and banks. So this is where you should definitely look at, and don't be too creative, too ambitious. Try and reduce risk, because NIFTY has gone from 22 to 25, and in our model we are hitting R1. So R2 is where you have to completely exit. So R2 we have hit for a lot of defense stocks. So HAL, BEL, Solar Industries, all these stocks more or less are around their R2. So if you were invested, you made money. If you're not invested, you should not put in fresh capital at this level. Yeah, look at NBFCs and banks. Those are very interesting, and they can still give you some return in next 1 to 2 years. All right, guys. So this is for 19th of May. 19 stocks in focus. US markets will fall. Gold might come back because of the credit rating downgrade in the US, and otherwise be careful in the defense stocks. So that is the message, and let's see how the market opens. All the best.